Hey, this is Kamali. Do you remember Kamali? She's my hair alter ego. Say hi, Kamali.
Hi, I'm Kamali.
Kamali's been out frolicking at the beach. Well, she hasn't really been at the beach, but she's been playing in the California sun, and she's got the hair to show. She's got the receipts for playing in the sun. And today we're going to do a product review of Donna's Recipes beautiful curl product, and you're going to be around for the whole doggone thing. Ready? Let's get started with the shampoo. You want to cover your eyes? Okay. Alright, that's super important. We're going to wet the hair. We're going to saturate the hair all the way. We wet it for a long time because we really want it to soak up clear water, not soak up shampoo. We want to use the shampoo to cleanse the hair, but we want to use the water to hydrate the hair. And the inside of the hair isn't dirty. The inside of the hair shaft. But we just want it to get all the water that it wants to drink. All the water that it wants to drink. Now, for the... It's thick. It gives a good lather right away. As you know, I'm a big proponent of one shampoo, one lather up, so I think I've got enough. Yeah, we're good. Got a good lather all over. Notice my shampoo process is I'm running my fingers through. I'm not doing a lot of this action here. Nope, that's not great. It just makes it harder to get the tangles out of the hair. And then I'm going to detangle once I'm clean, once I'm satisfied that enough debris has been removed. I'm going to detangle with my brush, because I've got the slip of the shampoo. Ooh, I like how nice and slippery this shampoo is. Detangling is pretty easy. Kamali doesn't get sections. I'm not sectioning her hair just because she's got a little teeny tiny head, and I'm a little less gentle with her hair than I am with my own. Now that all the strands are moved in the right direction from that detangle, you can go from scalp to ends all the way through. All the hair is one direction. Yeah, sit up for me, Kamali. Now let's get going with this extra creamy conditioner. Just like with my own hair, I'm applying the conditioner really from the ends of the hair up toward the scalp. Ooh, it's thick. So I could see as it gets less in the bottle. This is a brand new bottle. It may be a little tough to get out of there. Probably needs to be stored upside down so that when you're ready to use it, it's ready to go. That's thick enough that inverting this bottle might not be a bad idea, team. She's conditioned. Hair feels like it's smoothing out, and I'm seeing some curl definition starting to happen. Conditioning step is the first step of your curl process, your curly hair curl defining process. And this is doing a decent job, just pulling through. Okay, now we're gonna rinse it out. I'm gonna put her in the sink. Sorry, Kamali, close your eyes. Cool down the rinse. It smells so good. Sweet potato pie. Now let's get started. So Kamali is clean and ready for a half head test. We're gonna do a really cool thing. One of the things I love about Tabitha Brown's products is that Donna's recipe gives instructions. There's so many products out here and a lot of them are great, but what this does differently is it tells you how to use it and gives you technique. The technique is either do leave-in then cream, and then oil, which is LOC, or do leave-in, oil, and then cream. So which one's gonna work best on Kamali's hair? We're gonna test it out. We're gonna do a half head test like I tell you to do all the time. So let's start first with the leave-in. Just use some leave-in between our hands. We're gonna work it in. I like concentrating on product application near the scalp first. Always moving our hands down the hair shaft. Get good coverage, good product. You want to get all over the hair. Put the leave-in on the other side now, so that way she's equally wet on both sides. It's a fairer test. Okay, leave-in evenly distributed on both sides of the hair. On our left side, we're gonna do oil first. It's my left, it's your right. On this side, we're gonna put the oil first. Rubbing the oil in on the hands. Not a lot, nothing too crazy. Now, I'm generally a fan of putting oil in last after the hair is dry because it takes a longer time for the hair to dry once the oil is in it. But for the sake of this exercise and this product, we're trying it out the way it's intended to be used. Okay, so we have oil in, and then on this side, next step is the cream. I like these little things that theoretically make it easy to get in here once your hands are all lubed up. So this is the sweet potato creamy hair cream, extra creamy hair cream. Ooh, gosh, this feels good. My concern, or Kamali's concern, is she's been very clear she wants curl definition. So we're gonna check this out for curl definition. Let's switcheroo. And let's then put the cream on this side after the oil. Ooh, okay. It's all three products layered in there quite nicely. There's more stiffness having put the oil on first. But if her hair was super duper prone to dryness, that might be necessary. And then the last one on this side is putting a little bit of the oil in. Now I feel like I could also skip the oil on damp on the hair with this amount of wetness, but just to make it fair, I'm gonna put it on now. We're gonna see which Kamali's hair prefers. All right, I'm gonna shake her out. Let some time pass. We'll come back and check up on you, okay?
Okay.
All right, don't worry. No, we'll be back. Don't worry. Happy drying. Hey, we're back, and Kamali's hair is about 90% of the way dry. Kamali, let me take a look at you and see which side I prefer. Remember, this is leave-in cream oil. This is leave-in oil cream. I think I prefer the sheen of this side a little bit better. Just a little bit better. There's enough of a difference that if she was out in the streets, somebody might notice that her hair was slightly different on one side than the other. But they're very close. I tried the product before and I liked them a lot. So I knew the product was good. What I hadn't tried is the half head test. She had never tried it before. And I'd never done the half head test of the leave-in cream oil and leave-in oil cream. Oops, said it backwards. But if you didn't know, now you know, and Kamali knows too. Thanks for making the product, Tabitha.